So public speaking, so I'm just gonna tell you some tips in general. Okay? Number one, it's a good point that when you're going to have your public speaking, you should know first what topic are you going to discuss with your audience. Did the audience know about your topic? Did your audience have a connection with the topic? Did they have any idea about the topic? Are they interested about the topic? Next, when you already know the topic that you're going to discuss, try to write some bullet points, ideas. Not paragraphs, not sentences, but bullet points. Okay? When you write bullet points, it helps you to realize the key concepts that you wanted to discuss with your peers or with your selected audience. And the third one is you try to speak with your ideas with the bullet ideas that you have in mind, or the ideas that you have written on your paper. During conversation or during the presentation of your speech, number one is that you must build connection or rapport with your audiences. Remember that always look into their eyes, okay? Because having eye-to-eye contact with your audiences, it helps them to more understand what you're saying, and it helps them understand what are they hearing. Because understanding is different from hearing. Okay? When you do public speaking presentation, always do bows. Okay? You bow first on your left, on your right, then at the center. And then you smile. Afterwards, you give your introduction. There are different types of ideas or genres or styles that you can do with your introduction of your topic. Earlier, I have heard that the one pair is doing like asking questions. It gives us the idea what are the topic that they're going to discuss. That is a good point. When you ask questions to your audiences, and they would realize that, okay, maybe they're going to tell us something about this kind of topic. And then you said your greetings, either in good morning, good afternoon, or good day, or good evening. Then you pitch your